Hello, 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 hello. How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Gonna check and see if we're live and everything is up and running. How are we doing today? What's going on? Kenny Lewis, how we doing? What's up, man? Live thing. Right, it says I am off LAN. So I'm using a new plugin right now to see if I can stream like everywhere. Whoa, chill out, mate. There's an issue there. Okay, we'll try. Is that working? Oh, right. Let's see if that's working. Alright, it doesn't seem to work, this multi-stream thing. Oh no, that's up. It says I'm live, so well, it doesn't seem to work. Hey, Mr. God Shane, what's going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. I'm trying to use a multi-stream thing. Well, OBS is saying it's working, but then when I check, it's not working. But what is it? Which one is it? Modify. Yeah, that's a load of crap. It's not working. Okay. Alright, never mind that. We'll leave it on this. Right, so going on. How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Let's do this. So that's quite a loud clap there. I started a new Instagram account for just my 3D printing. So if anyone wants to check that out, I'm just going to be posting. I'm going to just be posting all of my Instagram, all of my 3D prints here. So yeah, like I'll show you this one. So we got the Baby Yoda, Grogu, and there's me, and then there's the Victus Alpha spaceship from No Man's Sky, then Stormtroopers, and then assembled, and then the Pangolin kinetic model that I printed. There's this, which has got some Star Wars music, which is copyright, so I'm not going to play it. But yeah, it's playing the Imperial March. So you can play it with sound if you want. But yeah, I designed that in Blender with the base and the Oral-B mount. So it looks like Darth Vader's like suffocating your toothbrush with the Force. And then also, yeah, as well as that, there's also the toilet roll holder, which I painted and installed. So now when you go to the bathroom, the Stormtrooper is holding the loo roll for you. I don't know why, but yeah, now the bathroom's gone very Star Wars like. Yeah, it's a bit of fun. Right, so what sort of music should we play today? This is a Sunday, it's chilled. I'm kind of feeling like we should play something chilled. So let's do some hardcore drum and bass. Maybe not. Maybe. I don't know. Reggae? Did I see reggae? A reggaeton? I don't know. That's not reggae, is it? I don't know. Reggae. What's this going to be like? Yeah. This could work. I mean, I've not played reggae on the channel. I love reggae music. Right. Well, I started making the which one is it? Storeroom. Yeah, how you doing, Brody? Thanks for the recommendation. Bam, 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 bam. Right, let's get some shelves in there. Right, let's get some screenshots. Rocking up in here. There's a couple layouts for these storerooms. So I can make those as like inner prefabs that I can swap out. Am I tripping? Did I just go straight through it? Oh, it's here. Alright. Pretty good. Right. So let's get a Bob in there. Where's old Bob at? Bob? Bob? So you get the scaling right for these. Yeah, a little bit above head height for the 4th shell. So something like that is pretty good. So yes, yes, girl. I think that's good. That's what we want. Oh yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Right. Chat, did Powell fall off? Yes. It was, for me, I would say it did. It's fun while it lasted, though. It was great. Right. I'm gonna put that one here. Delete, delete. Oh, G Dizzle. How are we doing, man? Going on. Yeah, today I've had a very productive day. Yeah, very productive. I've had like a list as long as my arm of things that I've needed to do, but like it's a while now. I've just been putting stuff off, to be honest. Should do that. Haven't done that. Oof. Yeah. And well, I was meant to go and see family today with Rama. I was meant to go with her, go see some family. But I just felt a bit stressed because I got so much I need to do. So I wrote everything I need to do on a list. And I was like, yeah, actually, I'm going to stay at home and I'm going to get a load of stuff done. And see you next time because I've got loads to do. So I wrote my list and I wonder if you can get a dark mode for Notepad. Probably not. Maybe we can get like a well, there's this, I guess. Yeah, I wrote my list out, and this is pretty much my list. I wrote down Trooper because I had the Stormtrooper to do. I got the mirror to do, the lawn, mower I need to get running, some shelves I need to put up. I need to tidy my room. I need to work on the Lethal Company map, the Jamie map. Also, I had to do at least 3 YouTube shorts. what else did I say? There's a list of other stuff. Fix the barbecue. And I was like, right, I got all these things that stress me out. We'll see what we can do. So I smashed the Stormtrooper thing. That's all installed and working, and that's in bathroom, which is good. I finally installed the mirror, so the mirror's now on the wall in the hallway, which is good. I did all the YouTube three YouTube shorts, so that's good. So my list of like things that I need to do and things that I haven't yet done are yeah, it's getting smaller. So I thought I'll do a Lethal Company stream. So that's what we're doing right now. I mean, there's still stuff that I haven't done, but it's in a better place right now than I would be if I was spending the day with family. We had the opposite day today. Yeah, I'm just kind of lazy by nature, so sometimes these things just, you know, my priorities tend to be around game development mainly. So then family and actually getting other stuff done tends to take a small hit for the sake of those priorities, which is unfortunate, you know. I don't like living in a house that's not super like tidy and organized. It's no Asmongold level, you know. So there's that. But it's probably not far off. No, it's not. I don't know how Asmongold. I don't know how he lives like that. But hey. It's the same the other way on there. Okay. Yeah, kind of, to be honest with you, kind of felt like just going to the pub. Proper British name. But yeah, I've done. I feel like there's something else that I've done and I'm forgetting. I don't know. We've learned zoning because we. Oh, fair. I've also set up my my print camera, so I can see my 3D printer on the laptop I have here for my like CCTV setup, which is kind of good. I can see outside the house, and then I can see my printer. I've got all the eyes and ears that I need. Prefab, save selected as you prefab. So I'm going to chuck this in custom, maps, and then Lethal Company, and then I'm going to do objects. So objects, and then I'm going to do shelf. Shelf 01. Cool. And I'm actually going to paste one here and delete that one. And I'm going to paste that one here and delete that one. Cool. So the shelves are now here, and this is what I would call like an internal configuration. So I'm going to do prefab, save section as new prefab. And then this is, we've got rooms, and then I'm going to do layouts in here. So here, this is a store room, 01, that's what that is. But yeah. So there's actually going to be, this needs to have another shelf like here, I think. Yeah, looks about right. Okay, there's actually another shelf over here. So if I copy, save, and go up. Do you know what? That's actually in the perfect place already. Yeah, I kind of like, yeah, it's kind of good. Still blocking out. Yeah, noob. If you've never seen me map before, the final bit takes no time at all because it's all modular. So I'll make this and then I'll just replace it out, which will take less than 10 seconds to have the finished map. So it's yeah, working like this with Logical, but you don't need to detail it yet. Yeah. Right. Oh God. Oh, bow, 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 bow. I wonder if I want to have more than one layout right now. Probably leave it like that. Let's do it. Let's do this. Let's go like that. I'll set these up. Got your PC back last night. Still paperweight. Sorry. Wait, so your PC is still broken and you put a new motherboard in it? I don't know what to say, man. That sucks. That's awful. How you doing, noob? Anyway, you doing all right? Oh, I don't know what I just did there. Add selected brushes. Yeah. wasn't intentional. I kind of hate how it flies off into the distance every time I do that. It's really annoying. I need to add ungroup entity to a keybind. I do it too often. Trying to do AI. Yeah, we got to get all the AI from Lethal Company in here. It's going to be pretty wild. Yeah, but it's not your GPU though, is it? How you doing, Popeye? What's up, man? It's not your GPU. If your friend put your GPU in his PC and it's fine, then it's not your GPU. How has my stream just turned into a troubleshooting Q&A for Dizzle? So, yes, match the contest. It's super modular though. I don't think you get it. Like, when the rooms are done, I can just go like this. And then we've got the layout done. It'll take 10 seconds to actually build the thing. Right, fix the jump over. I'm moving the outer walls in because when they get detailed, they'll actually need. We don't want them doubling. Cool. going on there? Oh, it's the frame. Right, so I'm going to start doing some of the spawn logic. I think I'll get a basic map running. Yeah, I'll just stick it in the Tarkov map. Purchase items.
So don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system that we wise up.
All right, let's do this.
Don't stop believing
Right,
that we'll rise up to the system and we wise up until we're standing strong again.
no compile.
Don't stop. Rise up. Wise up until we stand it. Don't stop. Wise up. Standing strong again.
Oh, that's the sky, is it? Yeah, I'll do. Okay, go like that, and then let's bring in that prefab. Save this prefab. Let's do prefab frames. Oh, wrong one.
Standing strong, 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 strong. So don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system that we wise up until we standing strong again. Don't stop believing that we'll rise up to the system and we wise up until we standing strong again. Don't stop. Rise up. Wise up.
Okay, let's get rid of this. No.
Don't stop.
Okay.
Wise up. Standing strong again.
Okay, do the lights. I think I'll change the sun volume there. Let's get rid of these probes. We're still good. Right, let's try that again. Okay, I'm gonna stamp that here. Right, what sort of... Yeah. Right, let's see if it dies now. But Dom, how we doing, Dom? What's up? Hey, buddy. Hey. Hi, buddy. Old Mr. Gangoolian's come here. Not out in the sun. We're not out there. Getting colder. You wanna come for a cuddle? Well, I'm in the middle of a stream, buddy. How am I gonna stream with you? How am I gonna do anything with you here? Hey? You can chill here with me if you like, but I'm gonna be working on this project. Gonna be working on this project. Is that right? Hey? You mind? Can I put my arm out and work on it? Huh? You mind? We've got to get loads of work done. I can't just sit here and cuddle. Got to do some work. Mishta? Is that right? I'm gonna put my arm out. Don't freak out. Good boy. Right, stay there. Stay. Good boy. You're right. Hey, you. Hello. Good boy. Right, don't worry. We are gonna do some mapping now. Good boy. Right. What do you reckon, Ganny? What sun volume do we use? If you pressing the enter key, I don't think it's not gonna help, buddy. I don't know what that will do. Boy. Yeah, he's lying on my arm. Good boy. It's nice and warm in here. Do I plan to do another photo map? Probably not. It would be cool though, right? Good boy. Oh look, let's pick the catwalk. Get it? Because you're a cat. You don't seem to care. You don't like that poem, buddy. Hey? He's snoozing. You're snoozing. You can snooze all you like, buddy. I do have work to do though. I don't bother you too much. Mr. Goulian, Mr. Gangoulian. Okay, so do that. I need to make a server room and also your typical corridor style. Let's make the corridor. This is gonna do hallways. Corridors, hallways. Halls. Hall. Short. Really careful. do Freeman browser. Maps, custom, maps, doors and open. Maybe I need to do yeah, that's probably pretty good. Oh, sure. File saver. Full door, something call it. Full door. Okay, let's go up. Full door. Short. And then we got whole long, so whole long will just be this but double, right? File. Good boy. Why are you so snoozy? Eh? Out and about. Tearing up the town, buddy. Am I moving around too much for you? I'm sorry. I gotta map at a reasonable rate. Can't keep the people waiting. Is that right? Hey? No. Disturbing them too much. Middle. Junction. Yeah. See you later, buddy. Yeah, there's 10 minutes. 10 minutes of chilling. He's on the windowsill now. Good boy. Right. go a bit faster now. Not worrying about upsetting the cat. Whole 90. It's at 90 degrees. Cool. I don't think I actually need a whole door. That will just be. Let's do whole long like that. We'll do a whole 90. Like that. Cool. Let's do a jump room. Jump room. Stampy. Change those to closed. Actually, yeah, I'll change it to wall. I think you're confusing me. Dizzle, Ice, Fun, Reggae Fact, Bob Marley, grandson realised his first on Christmas Day. Yeah, it's pretty good. Released his first, do you mean? Like released his... Is he making music as well? Is released his first track? What do you mean? Right. Again, we'll do a... Are you gonna lay the room on the map? I'm doing a test at the moment, so I'm gonna test the layout and see what it feels like. See if it makes sense to do it this way. I'm a bit confused how that's gone from being... Or... Do I need to make them smaller? Or bigger to fit with it? Junction. Don't want that long. Function. How you doing? Can you give me more some, man? I tried the RNCP multi-stream thing, and it didn't work, man. It said it was working, it didn't work. I'm not sure what I did wrong there. Map's not going anywhere really. I'm just sort of working on the individual pieces of it at the moment. I haven't started making a map yet. There's no plans right now to actually make the map. How you doing right now? You alright? Got a friend visiting to wait. Oh, that's fair. in here and do like that. Let's just call this dead end or something. Full end, end or locked. I don't want to do. Yeah, I need to make the other rooms, the big factory room and the other loot room. This one. Short road. It's too long. Right, what did I do? Maybe this one here is a... Whoa. Maybe. Yeah, I want to get a feel for what it feels like. Let's check it out. Yeah, I also wanted to start doing some of the coding, so that's another reason. It's another reason I've put it into a new level here. So if I open this up, do scripts. Thread. Right. I'm thinking that'll work like that. We kind of want to do let's do script, struct, and then I'm gonna do planet 1. I'll just do spawner. No, loop spawn. I could just do, yeah, I could do script string planet 1. The idea, right, is that we punch in as many of these as we like. Wall. We put in as many of these as we like. Maybe, yeah, we have an extra one called, we'll do a script, noteworthy. And that will be based on the size of, or no, we can do script int, I guess. And I'm gonna do, no, what we'll do script int for the planet, and then for the string, I'm going to do the size. So 1 equals small. Hi to Roscoe, what's up, man? Yeah, I'll do it slightly lighter color for a small one. The idea is that we can put smaller objects on shelves. and there won't be a problem. So we can spawn the smaller stuff on the shelves. Because we can't spawn like a giant thing on a shelf. Yeah. Alright, let's just go a bit wild with the spawning angles. Set to default. Yeah, how you doing, Oscar? You doing right, man? Really, these sort of these things belong on the prefab level, so I should, yeah, I should put these in the prefab, but for now it'll be alright. You've been off a week, nice, man. Or a little holiday, or you've been ill, or what? Right, so these spawners are all about the place. And then what I was doing is I swear I wrote this script for drop the name. It's alright, I'm gonna re-code it. So yeah, what we're gonna do, we got the item eraser. Oh yeah, the flu. Oh man. Should finish reading the whole sentence before I comment. I've been alright, dude. Yeah. You get a week off for Easter, which isn't too bad. Nice. Yeah, I've been good. Been good here. Been 3D printing like crazy though. For the planet, we could pass in an array. Because I feel like these are in all of them. Hi buddy. Function, I'm gonna do initialize loop. And so here I'm going to do a print my initialize loop. Okay, and we're going to do loop. Okay, so at this point, I want to grab the level items array and do level do randomize array. Array randomize like this. So it's jumbling the items. I don't want to do that. I want to get the loop locations is equal to struct get array, and I want to get the loop location, so it's got a loop spawn, and this is what I want to do. I want to get loop locations and randomize them. And then we're getting the day, so day is going to be 1. Okay. What I should do is, based on the day, I want to do differently. Amount of loop equals random int range between I'm going to say between 5 and 10. So that's how many things will spawn. And yeah. And then what we need to do is for I equals 0, when I is greater than or equal to the amount of loop. Oh yeah. Then I plus, and what that's gonna do is place out, spawn the loop for spawn the loop involved. Some spawn locations. Okay. Yeah, what we want to do, so we have randomized it. We want to do if level.lc day is greater than 3. I want to add more loop, so yeah. I probably want to do just do like amount of loop plus equals lc level.lc day. So we're adding 1 or however many days you are into it to the loop, so you get more loop later on. Quite a cool way of doing it. So yeah, for each one of these, we want to spawn thread spawn loop. Cool. We don't really care, but we do want to pass in the loot locations. Structs per thread. So because we randomize all these structs, so the order of these structs is completely random now, and then it will just say there's 5 pieces of loot that are going to spawn. It'll pick like 5 random structs in the random order, and we want to give the positions of those 5 and spawn loot on them. So we're threading the spawn loot on the loot locations, which is going to be a randomized set of locations. So we can pass in a specific one that's randomized like that, and then the spawn loot is going to spawn it on that place. So Trigger uni, all this. I'm going to put that there. Don't really need to do a while here. Although I do need to make sure the player's not already holding 4 items. Do we care about that? I'll leave it like this. May want to extend with a while if we care about how many items they are holding. 4 max in LC. So for now I'm just going to leave it like that. And then it's going to be yeah, we want to spawn a trigger on the location. Press to pick up, to take, and then I'm going to just do item name. Yeah. Yeah, we want to spawn an actual mesh on it. So what I'll do is, now we want this array. We don't want anything in common room. Yeah. What I want to do, what's the best way to group these? So yeah, LC items, and then we got 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's do it. At this point, I want to do so we want to set the item. So set the item. So we want to do, yeah, you want to do the zoning on the base level. I think could do crazy would it be to do that. Having a whole array copy, an array copy per item. I think that'll be fine. So items equals I'm gonna do for each item in level.lc items. If in here we want to pass in day them, yeah. Like, I kind of need an array like this called else level.lc loot planet loot or something, planet loot, and this will literally be like 0 being the on the spaceship. Okay, on here we want to do common items, we want to do rare planet items. It depends on the moon that you're on though, right? Right. I want to keep this as simple as possible. I don't want to go too crazy. I think I'll get rid of this for now. For the loot, for the loot, depends on the moon that they're on. I don't know how they're currently setting this. Okay. Yeah, in here we kind of want another one that just says the loot that it can contain. So I want to do one that's an array of IDs of planets. So on Scorched Tara, I don't recognize his name. I want to pass in the items that we can get. So the idea is we can specify what you can and can't get. So maybe on this one you get like 1 and 2, and then legendary planet items. Even these ones you get 2, 3, and 4. We can specify what there's a triple dimensional array there. Right. So we've got LC planets, and then I'm just going to set the first LC planet. LC selected equals 1 debug set planet so we're only going to get these two. Is it 0 in this case? Right, so we want to do for each item, if LC planet I need to get LC planets dot level dot LC planet selected, which will get this row, first row. Then I want 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want the fifth one, like that. So I need to do for each item, if then in LC items 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 if item 4 in each item, I then want to do for each I need basically is valid item equals false. I need to do items here. If item 4 if the planet of this item is equal to I need to do for each planet ID in here, if I want to do contains actually. Yeah, I need a contains. If array contains planet ID, yeah. Array contains the planet ID. item 4. And so, okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Yeah, we're doing some coding at the moment. Mr. Gab, what's up, bro? Yeah, all good, Borgia. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm pretty interested. Yeah, I'm writing some pretty cool code at the moment. Probably sporting logic. So at the moment, I duplicate the item array. Then for each item in the items array, I'm basically filtering it. So this is filtering the item array so to only have planet specific. Hello. Really, I kind of want to stick this into a separate function called function filter loop to specific planet. Cool. So so items is getting the items, and then for each I'll do that. Items is equal to that, I guess. So yeah, what we're gonna do is spawn loot location. Let's do yeah, how you doing, Lupin? Good to see you, man. Chill vibes. 7-Eleven Hugs. Hope you're having a good day today. I set a list of things to do today to get done because I was sort of getting a bit stressed, and I got loads of stuff that I plan to do, and I just been putting it off ages. Because I need to get through through as many of these as I can today. That's what I did. I've just been doing all sorts. I can show you guys something pretty cool as well. I've set up a camera on my laptop next to me. Check this out. So this little laptop sits just down here. It's an old laptop that I bought for this basically. This laptop is my go-to laptop if I want to do anything that I'm worried about, viruses or whatever. Then yeah, I can do it on this laptop, and I'd have to risk my actual PC. But it's been used as basically a CCTV camera thing. So yeah, I've got my house, one of my house cameras here, and then I got a new camera which is a feed of the printer. So right now, this is whirring away and it's making me something, and I can watch it while I'm here at my desk. So I don't have to keep getting up and going and having a look. And the camera is a 2K quality camera. That's £17 on Amazon. God bless. Yeah. Literally, bro. The story of my life is setting plans and just not getting around to doing them. Yeah, so what we're doing here, we're going through all the items, and then we're saying, okay, is the loot valid for the planet? Pretending it's false. Then, if the planet that we're currently on matches the ID of the loot, then yeah, then the item. Okay, it's true. If it doesn't, I need an opposite of if array contains. If I go like that, then really I want to do item delete like that. Because I kind of want to be left with a set of items. So here I want to do I print line bold. All items are one for each item in items. I print line bold name equals, and then we're going to pass in the name. So I want to do item like that. The idea is that we're basically filtering out the loot, and then we want to pass back item. So when we call this function, it's actually setting up the items that we need for our planet. So now I can do item equals array random, and then items like that. And now we've got a random item from the approved set of items. And so it'll give us a name. Yeah, and when we grab it, we'll do I print line bold item. The name is one. Yeah. Item dot +1 collected. So we can check that out now, see if that works. If you want to remove something from a layer, you just add it to the global. That's how that works. Four, 3, 8. Am I missing something? Bracket. Oh, yeah, I don't need that. Okay. How did Josh Young? Good to see you, man. Yeah, to remove something from a layer, like if this was in, if I moved this to old stuff, like this struct, and I didn't want it in Ultra, I just wanted it in the map, then I just right click on global and do add selected, and then that moves it out. Because everything is in a layer, but you just create sub layers basically. Yeah, how you doing today, Josh? You alright? I never replied to you, Popeyes. If you're still here, man, I'll reply. I just was a bit carried away with what I was doing. I saw him reply, but I've got other things I could say about the Fall Guys map. Pretty good. Enjoy my weekend off, but up 5 AM tomorrow. Oh man. Is it? It's not a bank holiday tomorrow, is it? 8/8. Bank holiday UK. Content warning. I've got it. I've downloaded it. I've not played it yet. Does sound like a good laugh. 4 each. 486. Oh here. Okay. I'm gonna be right back. Yeah. 1 minute. I'm gonna have a good full man for it. Alright. Yeah, I 3, 6. Dude, Lupin. Yeah, I don't know why it's bugged out again. Lupin gifted 5 gifted memberships. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, and I don't know why it's sort of intermittent like that. Bro, with the 5 gifted, Mr. Gad was gifted 1, Frederick Rogers, Lawrence DeBose, Web Zombies, Kitsune. Guys, thank you so much. Oh, guys, I mean Lupin, thank you so much. And GG, guys. Welcome to the team, there we go. With the awesome emojis now. Does that mean that Kitsune's in the chat? How you doing, got Kitsune and Web Zombies? Lawrence Frederick. Hello, hello, hello. Dude, you didn't have to do that, Lupin. That's very kind of you, man. Very kind of you. Much love, bro. Icon Planet 06, so 369. Yeah, my head is like deep into this, right? Uninitialized level. I'm just going to set those as those for now. Set to string icon. Set to string to debug only. Huge. Hi man, I'm watching you and I'm realizing that there's a map that there are the map visuals and design and the whole logic behind what it is. What is and isn't possible. Yeah, there's a lot that goes into maps. Oh god. There's a lot in the back end that people don't see. Okay, for these, I'm just going to call it icon default, and I'm just going to go like this. Because I don't have all these set up. Oh, do you know what? I think if I grab them from here, Yeah. That's why. I just need to add the fines in here. I can leave all that. I just need to put it up here. Okay. Right. Nice. I hope you win the contest. You deserve it. I don't know, man. There's a lot of amazing maps in this contest, which is awesome. There's a lot of really cool ones. So, I don't deserve it. I really don't. I think the people that put a lot more effort into it deserve it. I know it may sound obvious, but coming from a more logical coding background, what you're currently doing makes more sense to me. Oh, fair. Yeah, I come from a coding background, but I've been trying my hardest to get away from it. Because I like design and like the art and creative side. I do enjoy this, but I think it's not for the bigger audience. It's not as cool. Not as cool. It's harder to watch than when I'm going around and making art. I think it's more fun to watch. If you're into coding, then it's probably cool to see the coding. But for the majority of people, I feel like it's a bit boring when they're not interested, and that to me bothers me because I want to make interesting content, like fun content. Well, that compiled, so we should run it. So in this current state, it should who says I'm not? Mr. Lupum? I mean, Devilman Cometh. No, I do work for a big studio on a project. I just can't talk about it because of NDAs. But yeah, I don't know about making bank. Alright, so there's flashlight, taser, pistol, chip horn. Okay, at the moment it's reading out all of these items, which is this bit here, which is fine. Disable spawn, that's what I want to do. And God mode, because I want to restart. Oh, I've already done God mode. Initialize loot. Hello? Well, it did initialize loot. Get array. Your locations. Then, did I get this back to front? I print line bold. Thread loot. I might have got this back to front because I'm rusty right now. I is less than. I is less than, less than, greater than. Yeah, I got that the back to front. I got it back to front because I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, so it never ran. I'm so dumb. Hey, just a word popping in. Say Rex made an AI template for us. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, I've just made the spawning logic. So I've made it so that it'll work with the current table structure, and that it works with the planet structure. I made another. I just added one variable here, which tells the code what loot is allowed on each planet. So the ID is the planet ID. So here in the loot, what we're doing is we're basically able to place as many locations out as we like, and then the amount of loot will be determined based on 5 to 10 random locations, but then +1 per the day that you're on. So if it's day 1, you'll have 6 to 11 locations. If it's day 5, there'll be 10 to 15 loot locations. That seems like a balanced way to do it. We can change that. And then we are spawning a piece of loot for each of the amount of loot. So here in the spawn loot function, we then have a filter loot to specific planet function, which basically goes and gets the item table, but trims it out and only gives us back the items that are allowed in that planet. So this creates a copy of the item table. So, or like multi-dimensional array. So yeah, it goes in and it checks to see whether they are in that ID set, and it will delete them out of that that copy version, and then returns it. So yeah. Then we have basically at the moment just spawning a uni trigger. I'm pressing a uni trigger to say that you collected it, just to see if this logic works. And we're going to do different sizes as well, so we can place ones on shelves. And I know in Lethal Company they don't care about this, and if there was a giant piece of loot, it may spawn on a shelf, but it might be nice to only spawn smaller stuff on a shelf. But you got to go back to work. Fair enough, man. Take it easy. Thanks for popping by. Right, we're gonna load it up and check it out now. Yeah, I'm literally about to run around the map and see what it feels like. Should be cool. Is the allowed planet an attribute of the loot? No, because loot can be one piece of loot can be in multiple planets. So that is one way. That might be a better way of doing it, actually. Like on the loot, to have an array for what planet it's on. So like here, where you have the flashlight, you'd have a 0, for example. But what we could do is I could do the opposite here. So instead of the planet telling you like a planet type for the loot, I could just remove that entirely and do the opposite thing here. So for the flashlight, we would just do array 0, and then for the gold bar, for example, I would do array, because I want that in say I want that in planets 2, 3, 4. It'd be like that. That would be a better way of doing it, to be honest. Like then the loot, whether it's defined as on the item layer. That's better. I'm gonna do it like that. I think this is better. So yeah, we'll do it like that. Should be so much better. God, I should have done a find and replace this many. Cool. Yeah, I'll do it like that, but let's just see how this looks. Disable spawner 1. God. Okay. So it set the IDs up. And it set up the items. Nice. There's no, like, there's no visual. Oh, there, look. Press F to take ship horn. Yeah, I haven't got it spawning the model in at the moment. Ship horn and ship horn collected, and then there's a nuclear reactor there. 115 sample. Turkey head. Oh. Dude, this feels, I think, is this my first time running around? Like in this? This scaling feels like so good. It's the official COD scaling. But like, yeah. Bro, the scaling feels amazing. Pro Zombies map. Proper chuffed. I'm wondering if it did pick like random structs. I'm wondering if it did pick random structs. So you got that one there. There's quite a few. Nuclear reactors on the floor here. Turkey head. I feel like the actual randomization logic isn't working. Because it doesn't feel too random. Yeah, it doesn't feel random. It feels like it's only spawning the first 5 and they're not randomized. Yeah. Yeah, we spoke about having bees, and using the bees to power a weapon might be quite cool. Yeah, it does feel like there's literally yeah, there's literally it's not random. Okay, so we had 115 sample, and we had nuclear reactor, and we had turkey head. These are all yeah, we need to do like a remove from array, probably. I think. Yeah. I think we need to do that. Share raw script. DM. Array remove. Okay. Array remove value. Yeah. I think that's the correct way to remove a value. That's probably where I was going wrong. So here, primary item delete, I want to do array remove value. Item free. Yeah, loop them again. I appreciate you, dude. They're very, very kind of you. Okay, so passing the array and then the value. Array to operate on. So I want to pass in I want to delete the whole array item there. I think I need to change this to 4 each. No, 4. Array copy. Yeah, I gotta do a check to make sure that that works the way that I think it works. Okay. I think get away keys. Alright, one thing in these items is that all of the items. I think doing that, it doesn't do a pointer, right? It makes it a topping, so that's fine. Kind of want to test that though. Right. So my theory is that the delete thing yeah, let's set it up the right way. So I'm gonna get rid of these and change it and put it on the item level. So LC planets 0, 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, no. 0, 0. I want to do, yeah, instead of planet, I don't want to leave that blank. I don't know if Logical had an intention for this, but I kind of want to do it like this, where 0 is the ship, so the spaceship. And then I don't want to do that like this. Okay, so that is the spaceship, and then I can leave this as array 0. That's the spaceship only item. Let me do. Four becomes 4. Okay, cool. So now our items are set to what planet they can spawn on. So scrap metal, let's just say that the rubber ducky, for example, spawns on 1, 2, and 3. We can go like that. Same with squeaky horn, same with tea kettle, same with maybe the blood sample is only 3 and 4 and 5. Yeah, let's do it like that. We cool if I added like a, depends how deep we want to go with this, but to add in some like some charms into it might be quite cool. You don't want to give the same like opportunity for a gold bar as a piece of scrap metal. Yeah, right. Nuclear reactor, let's do 1, 4, 3, that's fine. This should be good enough to test what we want to test. Notebook, that's fine. Let me do 2, 3, 4. Ice grenade hat. We'll do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. Okay, so now the logic has changed a little bit. Items 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to do here. So if array. So we want to check the we want to check the item and we want to check that. So yeah, let me change it, get rid of this. But so for each item, we're going to go in and we're going to delete it if it's not that is on the current selected planet. So our selected planet is 0. Let's set that to 1. Okay. Makes sense now. There's 1. Okay, and then we want to do in the item 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is an array. So that, let me write it out so I got something to items I, for example. No, that is item. So there'll be items. Item 4 is an array. So I want to work out if this item 4 contains the level.lc planet selected. So what planet we're on. That looks cleaner as well. So then I want to do item delete. I don't know if that's right. I kind of want to do delete like that. I'm just gonna leave that there as a reference for a minute, but You want the array index item? I don't care about array index at the moment. If the current planet is not in item, remove item. Yeah, I'm copying this list of all the items in the world, and I'm making a version of it that only has items that are on the planet you're currently on. So if we're on planet 1, all of these won't exist. This one will exist because it contains 1 in its available item. So if we go down here, this one will delete, this one will delete, this one will delete, they'll delete, and they'll delete, and we should be left with this as an item array, and that it'll pick randomly from here to spawn those items. So whatever planet we're on, if it's contained in this array, it will add them in. That's the idea. So now it's a planet array. On planet array. Yeah, I think that's a better way of doing it. What you said earlier made me think of doing it as well. Okay. Cool. So if the array contains does not contain is what I want to do. I bold does not contain I'm gonna do this plus does not contain item dash 1. Yeah. And then I just want to do item delete. And then all items are, yeah, here I want to do await 1. Cool. Let's check it out. Yeah, I don't think the randomization logic works. So I do want to check that out. Loot spawn. Loot spawn, get an array, struct array, loot locations. Randomize loot locations. Yeah, that should randomize it. You can create an item array just by selecting all the items in that array. Yeah. Yeah, I could do that. I kind of want to do it so that I can always use the 0 index to assign the item. I'm spawning, but right. 450. It is shuffled though. At least it should be. Let's have a look. Look, you got items equal. Bam, 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 bam. So here, the loot locations gets all of these in the order that they were placed. And then I'm using this line here, takes that array, randomizes it, and reassigns it to itself. So it updates that array, and now it's random. So the order that gets threaded should be random, because here it gets it, here it randomizes it and sets it, and then here it acts on it, uses it. So it should randomize it. Yeah. I don't know if it is. We'll know for sure though if we just run the map again. Because, you know, it is random. It's totally possible that it did just spawn random and it didn't feel random. I mean, I've done this a million times. So well, what we got? Initializing array. All items are flashlight, pistol. Wait, what? Flashlight to the pistol. Right. I know that one works. Thread loop. Or oh man. Right now it's doing this list and this is wrong. So yeah, well, I probably want to do this and just do thread, no, randomize, set loot list. That's what I want to do. And then here, I want to do function set loot list. I'm figuring out what it's doing wrong here. Yeah, pass this in to here. Yeah, that's better. That's better. That's better. Items equals or loot list is equal to that. Return item that. Set loot list. Let's go like that. So I don't need the set loot list. Loot list. Like that. Filter to specific planet. Cool. Item. Item. Welcome back. It is random. Yeah, it is random. Yeah. It just didn't feel random because it was so random. It didn't feel random. It just, yeah, it was very coincidentally that they were all like in the first area. Oh, I've done a lot of changes to the code here. The changes I've made, I moved the filtering outside of the spawn logic, so it filters before it spawns, which makes more sense. Yeah, it only does that once, which makes sense. And then for each item, it grabs a random item from the list, and then it passes it a random loot location. Well, series of locations. So it does work. Okay. Check it out. We'll have to go after this though. Yeah, my desk is becoming a bit of a mess. There's stuff everywhere. There's pens, there's paint brushes. There's katana pieces and all sorts. It's all over the place. So I'm printing a desk organizer, very typical like desk organizer. So I can have it a bit more organized on my desk. I'm tired of like having all these things everywhere. One does not contain pickaxe. Table. What is that? Tea kettle. Here's a tea kettle. Here. Yeah, tea kettle is a 1. Turkey head. Turkey head is a 0. That's not right. We shouldn't have a turkey head or a shotgun. So there is some failed logic somewhere. Oh, top hat there. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, there's one here. Trophy. Tea kettle. Yeah, so it is random locations. Oh, no hat. Yeah, the locations thing works. What's not working now is the creating a trimmed array. So this isn't working. Item deleting items. If does not contain. So this will be set to 1. And this is an array. For each of these. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 array. So we want to make sure that for each of these arrays, we're checking if it contains 1. Wait, is planet selected? Yeah, we are doing that. Doesn't need to be a for each, we're using contains. So this should do it. Unless you can't do a negative contains like that. I mean, the alternative it's like that doesn't that doesn't work. I think we need to do that remove thing. So this one, array remove value. So instead of this, I'll just do array remove value, items, item, like that. Maybe that does it. Maybe that's all that was needed. Anyways, I gotta bounce. But yeah, I'll be live tomorrow after work. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully that is all that was needed. The alternative is that I think if I do like, I get rid of that and then just put an else after it, and then I'll put the else there. Yeah, this definitely works, this line here, this print, because it was showing it working. It said does not contain pickaxe, for example. So it was definitely showing this. Like, it might be worth doing like a weight 0.3 here. You can just double check that it's not saying this for items that it does contain. Yeah. Love that. Thanks for sharing. Hey, you're welcome, dude. Thank you for your support, bro. Appreciate you. Yo, Finn. How's it going, man? Yeah, the idea is that we can just literally put like 1,000 of these structs out or more, and then it will just randomly generate. Going to put more. Come on, we'll do one last run. We'll do one last run. Just to see if we've done it. Gotta be done. I'm doing good, man. I want this to work. Doesn't contain flashlight, taser, shotgun, ship, devil hat, da 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 da. Yeah, it looks right. That looked right. The list of what it does contain is wrong. So, red light, yeah. It will probably do like, I'll probably do like an additive array then. I'll probably do an additive array and then just like build an array instead of trying to remove one. Bucket and nuclear reactor, is that? Bucket. Nice grenade hat. That is on the list though. Top hat is not on the list. So yeah, I have to change the logic. I'm surprised that didn't do it. Nice logical hype. Yeah, it should be good, man. I need to sit down with Logical and sort of go through how we want this logic to work. There's like a million different interpretations for it. Right, gotta go. Waffle Jew. How we doing? What's going on? Yeah, I'm literally wrapping up. I've got to go have dinner before it gets too late. It's almost 8 PM here. I've got work in the morning. I'll be up at 5:45 in the morning. Something like that. That'll be maybe. Yeah. Still need to fix my bike tyre. I've got a puncture at the moment. I did repair it and then it went flat again. Didn't repair it very well. It's like if this is my bike, okay, and yeah, literally, my back wheel went flat, and if you look at the inner tube from like a cross section. So yeah, this is the inner tube, like imagine it like this. Cross section of the inner tube. It got a puncture in the top, right? This is where the tyre would be. Yeah. Got a puncture in the top. So I repaired the puncture, but the problem is if you look on the actual inner tube, there's like these little plastic rubber like seams, and because the hole was like right next to a seam, like it's impossible to mend it because you can put a patch over the seam and there's like this tiny little hole long ways on the patch that's weak. And I was like, yeah, it might not work, it might go. I've bought a new inner tube. I gotta fit that. Yeah. Yeah, man, working with this Logical. Should be good. Should be good. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, God. He's done it. Nuclear reactor. Oh, I'm gonna clean that up. You get non-colliding with those little edge bits. Well, guys, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow at the usual time. Yep. Bye. Huge thank you, Lupum, for your support, bro. I really appreciate it, man. Absolute legend. We go, well, wait a second. Wait. Don't go anywhere. We've got 15 people here. God damn. We can do something awesome for whoever's streaming. Why is no one streaming right now? I was gonna raid someone that's streaming custom zombies, but oh wait, I don't know who this is. I don't know who this is, but we're gonna raid them if they're still live.
Oh wait.
Someone called Darkness Games, 6,000 subscribers. And they're doing the Atonement Easter egg right now.
Okay. Take ingot. Okay. Well, I can guess where the ingot goes. God damn it. In the place of the furnace.
That's a great map. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can't raid them because I got it turned off. Why have they got it turned off? Should I put the link in the chat? Let's go raid him. Let's go type in his chat, Ice Grenade Raid in his chat. This is the dude, yeah. Ice Grenade Raid in his chat. Let's go over there. It won't let me do like the auto redirect thing. Right, every single one of you, let's head over there, give him some hype. He's playing Atonement. He's doing the Easter egg. So. Oh, I think he's using mods. All good. See you later. Bye.
Ice Grenade Raid.